Hey, if you guys haven't heard, what's really happening in Texas and what's going on with the big storm that just happened right now, it's really bad. This is like the third day of search and rescue. A lot of people passed away. It basically happened like a big storm overnight came through, and most of the people and the people that were like camping and the people that live near the rivers and the creeks got swept away, and it's really bad, guys. Texas is going through a really bad time right now. This is a crisis. I hope they get help from like the National Guard and from the government, the military, anybody that could come help that the government could send. It will be helpful. But let's dive in. Let's see what are the latest news. This is like the second or third day that this has been going on, and the death toll has risen to like imaginable numbers. So it's really bad, and also kids are missing. Some kids are missing, like 17, 18 little kids, little girls are missing. It's horrible. This is insane. This is one of the probably worst tragedies that ever happened in the United States. But let's see what they're saying. Let's see what ABC is saying. Jesus, look at the river. It devastated everything. Like, look at the trees. The current was so powerful that even the trees are laying down towards where the current was going to. Oh my God! And they're just looking for bodies. This is sad. I can't imagine like any of those people that are missing their family members, their animals, their pets, and the people that lost their homes too. Everybody's dealing with like a different kind of loss. It's sad. Wow, guys, look at this. They even have a time lapse of how fast the river grew. And I'm a person that comes from a third world country. Yes, I'm blessed to be an American citizen. I love this country. I'm not leaving. God bless America. God bless everybody here. That is legally and stuff, but this is very sad, guys. Look how fast the river, the water just um, rose in like a few seconds. Like, we're talking about a matter of like 20, 30 minutes. It rose like 30 feet or something like that. Like, you can see that the water's coming from all types of ways, just coming from the mountains, the creeks, like just all getting dropped and deposited into the main river. So that's why also the river's growing so fast. This is sad. This is sad. I hope these people on the road are okay, because this is what happens when it rains a lot, and a lot of the third world countries too. But this is really bad over here, because it never happens. Also, one thing that I think that happened is that the soil, since it barely rains, the soil's not like ready to absorb that much water at one time, so everything just starts, going down the mountains into the creeks or the rivers. Let me see. Oh, my bad, guys. 10 minutes. Even faster. Yeah, I mean, as much as we want to say like, oh, don't build your houses or don't go camping too close to the river or whatever, or make sure you build a strong house with a strong. It doesn't matter. You're not expecting anything like this to happen to you or to your community in matters of minutes, like they're saying. Wow, this is very sad, guys. Oh my god, and look, they have like a little crib or like a little swinger for the baby. They also have like a little baby and the dad that can't even move. Oh my god, I hope these people get some help because this is a lot, too much, you know. And the thing is that in situations like this, you might say like, oh, we just want to wait it out in the house. This never happened before, so the water's not gonna keep going higher. And then by the time you say like, okay, we gotta get out of here, it's kind of too late. The water's too high and there's like a current outside. There's nowhere to go. So maybe this is probably the best decisions they did for now, until like the guard or somebody, Coast Guard or somebody comes and rescue them, because he can't go anywhere. He can't even swim too. So. Wow, look at the road. Dude, this is a road. Man, this is underwater. Holy moly. Jesus, look at the water going also around here. Oh my goodness. And I know the most important thing is people's life and stuff like that. This is gonna cost the state a lot of money to fix everything, probably build the structures that are more strong or waterproof or flood proof. It's a lot of money that it's gonna cost the state too. Wow, look at that river. Look at the current. Holy moly. This is scary, guys. Spend as much time as you can with loved ones, protect them, take care of each other, help each other. Life is too short, guys. Greg Abbott. I need your help, Greg Abbott. Oh my god, look at these guys. The death toll is up to 82. N10 campus remain missing. Holy moly. Let's see what if they got anything more details of what's going on. The families, and if they found more people. Jesus Christ. Guadalupe River. Wow, guys, they working very hard to try to find these kids. It's very sad, guys. There you have it. This like the latest news of what's going on with the flash flood. I'm gonna start bringing you the news, guys, almost every day here. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Give me any positive or negatives in the way I conduct my commentary about the news. And if you have any tips or anything so I could do a better job on it, let me know. Thank you very much, guys. Like and subscribe, please.